If you want to use Bass Boost on Google Pixel 10 Pro, then in that case we need to download a third-party app that allows us to get the Bass Boost. So let's go to the Play Store and we can search for equalizer. We need to use an equalizer for audio to use the Bass Boost. And let's say we're gonna choose this one over here as an example. However, feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. And let's open it. I'm going to show you how to set it up, which is pretty easy. Press I understand over here, and you should be able to see an ad, probably, which we will have to close, of course. If you see this free trial offer, we can tap on this X in the top left corner. Let's go next over here and then finish. There we go, we have an ad. All right, now we should be able to enable the equalizer over here. And we have presets, so we can tap on this normal text in order to choose one of these presets, which also includes Bass Boost, so you can easily turn it on like this. You can also go to Bass Boost over here where we have to enable additional Bass Boost, and we can increase it or decrease it over here in this place. We also have the volume adjustment over there. Let me actually reopen. I just closed the app by accident. But essentially this is how it looks like. All right. So in case you need some additional settings, you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner. As you can see, we can, for example, visit settings over here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.